In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a YouTube player on your NET TV so you can view and play YouTube videos, especially if the built-in app is missing, outdated, or not working properly. This method works for most older smart TVs with limited app support. First, check if your NET TV has a built-in YouTube app by browsing through the pre-installed apps or the All Apps section. If it's there but outdated, try updating it from the manufacturer's app store. If there's no YouTube app available, you'll need to use a workaround. One of the best options is to connect an external streaming device like a Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Roku. These devices have full access to the YouTube app and work great with older TVs that don't support modern apps. If you don't want to use an external device, another option is to use a web browser app, if available on your NET TV, and visit m.youtube.com. You'll get a mobile version of YouTube where you can search and play videos directly in the browser. For more advanced users, some third-party apps like VLC or MX Player may allow you to stream YouTube videos via links, though functionality can be limited. Thanks for watching. If you were able to install or access a working YouTube player on your NET TV, drop a comment below and let me know which method worked best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy smart TV tips. See you next time.